Hi everyone, I am Miss Pooja Patil, the Assistant Professor from Civil Engineering Department from SIT COE. I am handling this subject. The name is Engineering Management. First of all, I introduce this subject to you so you can see on screen also. Engineering management is the combination with technical knowledge with analytical skills. We can learn through engineering management is the basics of management, quantitative analysis and behavioral science. This subject will prove as a prerequisite to the masters in engineering management to all the branches, and also MS means it is helpful to all type of courses. Engineering management would be the right choice of career if you are an engineering major who is interested in developing skills in business technology management or also entrepreneurship. You can interested in engineering management or industrial management, so you need to study this subject. Why should I study in engineering management? If you are looking for opportunities beyond your current within engineering qualification, the engineering management will provide you theoretical and practical knowledge to command high salary and higher rate of business. These are the engineering management career job opportunities: project engineer, project manager, cost system analyst, operation manager, technical manager, application engineer, structural engineer, automation engineer, hardware and software manager. So you can do any type of job opportunities from these following structures. This is the effectively applicable in area, means it is engineering management useful in all type of structures: automation, mechanical engineering, chemical, client services, design engineering, firmware, electrical, civil, electronics and all type of engineering fields. This is the syllabus of engineering management. Course code is CE 505, credit 3 lectures per week. Examination scheme: CA2 carries 10 marks, CA1 carries 10 marks, mid semester examination 30 marks and end semester examination 50 marks. So these are the course objective. First is knowledge about managerial functions, enable students to summarize organization structures, impart knowledge about directing techniques. Next is how to handle the project with efficient techniques. Most important is engineering economics, and last one is it becomes circumspective about benefits and duties about industrial by legal aspects. These are the course outcomes. First is a basic management principle, principles of planning and organizing, principles of directing and controlling, use of various techniques, apply principles of engineering economics, and last one is understand various provisions of industrial acts which we are required for the legal aspects. This is the unit 1, management and planning. In this unit we are going to study the management, basic things in management and planning. So it carries the 4 different aspects: planning, organizing, directing and controlling. So in the unit 2nd we are uh, observing the organization staffing in briefly. In unit 3 we are studying that directing and controlling in brief, and we can get the motivation, coordination and controlling aspects. This is the most important chapter from this management, project management. We can see the techniques required for the smooth project management. This one is the also required system, that is engineering economics. It contains the all economical functions in requirement of the project management. Unit 6 is the legislative acts. It contains the all employees beneficial acts. These are the textbook required. From this textbook, Dr. O.P. Khanna's book is more covering books, and these are the reference book and reference links. Thank you.